Hey everyone, set up all your cars. Today we've got this 2010 Kia Soul. It's a 1.6 CRDi automatic, finished in moonlight blue, with just 60,000 miles. One owner from new, just been MOT'd, a full service, new brake pads, new front tyres. It's very clean and tidy throughout. It's got the privacy glass, climate control. Great little car to use. We sell a few. Never seem to hang about too long. This one's got the graphite grey wheels. Cool looking thing. Very economical. Quite popular with first time drivers, these are. The reg numbers there if you wish to carry out any checks. All of our vehicles are HPI clear. We've done all the checks before we buy them. But super clean. No advisories on the MOT. Fully serviced, ready to drive away. There we go. Let's show you inside. We'll begin with the boot. Good size boot on these. Got the parcel shelf. Nice deep boot with your mats and your spare wheel. I'll put that back in a sec. Got the black cloth with the sold embroidery. These do have ISOFIX in the back and rear electric windows. And in the front, we've got the 3-spoke steering wheel, which is multifunction. Very nice condition seats. Electric windows all around and electric mirrors. Aircon, Bluetooth, CD, FM radio, and your gear selector there with your inputs just there, look. We'll just start the car up so you can see there's no warnings. Nice little 4-cylinder diesel, 60,357 miles, and that's about it. As I say, these are a great car. They don't normally hang around for too long, so do be quick. Give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.